This course is actually created by the Alpha S Solutions, and we will go through it. And if you want to know about Alpha S Solutions, you can go to alphasolutions.com, or you can send email at the info@alpha@solutions.com, or you can call us. And if you want to know about us, you can just go and browse the website. So let me explain the Udemy course structure, what we have currently. So this course is actually divided into 6 main modules. The module number 1 is the Snowflake architecture and performance management. Module number 2 is access management and Snowflake objects. Number 3 is the data movement, techniques and unloading. Number 4 is the data movement or the data loading part we will check here. Number 5 is dynamic data masking and visualization. And in the module 6, which is the last one and the bigger module, we will understand about the data sharing and data protection. So let's see in detail what exactly is there in this particular modules. So if you see under the module, you have the sections like introduction. So this is defined as an section in the Udemy course. This is another section. So each A, B, C under the modules are defined as sections. So when we started, we'll start with the introduction, and we will see how to create our trial account, know the UI interface, understand the high level architecture. We will create the virtual policies, understand about the scaling policy, and so on. Under the Snowflake architecture section, we will learn about the Snowflake additions and the credits usage scenarios and the how the credits are actually calculated. Another section will be performance management. This is where we will understand how the performance can be improved in the Snowflake, because we already got to understand about the virtual warehouses. So we will understand about the scale up, scale down, virtual warehouses, how can we really maximize the caching, and the various clustering techniques along with the micro partitions. And then we will slowly move on to the access management and the Snowflake objects. We will get a high level overview of access control and RBAC, secureable objects and roles. And then we will move on further to understand the tables and the user defined functions and stored procedures and different type of views. So this will give us an idea what type of objects and Snowflake has. And then we will move on further to the data movement part, which is the main part of the Snowflake. We will understand what are the various techniques of the data loading and unloading. So in this section, we will cover the unloading part, and we will understand various Snowflake stages. We will understand this NoSQL, and then internal stages, user stage, table stage, and named stage. And then we will also understand the external stages and the copy command and file format objects. And then we move on, we will see about the copy options, and then we will understand a lot about the data unloading part. Then moving on, we will go to the data loading part in the data movement module, where we will see how can we really load the data from the cloud. So which is like loading from AWS, Azure, GCP, and then we will understand how the semi-structured data can be efficiently loaded into our system, which is Snowflake. And then we will understand about the Snowpipe. And then the fifth module will be the dynamic data masking, where we will understand about the data visualization, dynamic data masking, how we can create the masking policy, and the partner connect. Last module will be a bigger module. Here we will understand a lot of different topics about the data sharing and data protection. So we will understand data sharing, time travel, fail safe, zero copy cloning, and the streams and the tasks, sampling data. And in the end, we will again come back to the access management, and we will understand how can it be used in the practice. And in the end, I will show you what are the best practices to really follow in Snowflake. So this is all about the course structure. I hope you will like it.